This is Ms. Simsek from Plant High School. This year I am the ESE math teacher, and I'll be working in several different classrooms fusing with the teachers. As you can see here in the schedule, period 1 I'll be doing Algebra 1B with Ms. Pollitt in room 236. Period 2 I'll have my own class of access points, Algebra 1A and 1B in room 153. Period 3, I'll be teaching an Algebra 1 class with Ms. Strauss in room 016. Period 4, I'll be teaching Algebra 1A in room 135 with Ms. Huff. Period 6, I'll be doing an Algebra 1 class with Ms. Strauss again in room 016. Period 7 is my conference period, and period 8, I'll be doing Algebra 1A with Ms. Strauss again in room 016. I have high expectations for all my students to do well, and I look forward to actually meeting you all face to face on August 31st. Well, I hope we all have a wonderful school year. Thank you.